Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in DaVinci Resolve 18. You can zoom in and out on a picture or a video. It works exactly the same way. So let's go ahead into our DaVinci editor. Here I have my image or video playing. So we're going to zoom in first so we can have some space to zoom out. So in upper right corner, click on Inspector to open your transform controls. Now I'm on my first frame. So if I click and drag the zoom control, I can set it up to a zoom level I need. Now, to insert an animation keyframe, click on the diamond over here, right next to zoom, and play your video and stop it at the place where you want the zoom effect to stop. Now, click and drag on the zoom level to zoom out to the level you need, let's say here. And that's pretty much it. DaVinci will automatically interpolate your animation. All you have to do at this point is simply play the video. So guys, that's pretty much it. And this is how you zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve 18. And you can animate any other effect as well in the Inspector tab following this keyframe technique.